Hi, welcome to my another video. Today I will help you choose the 5 best dual hose portable air conditioner on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches, and I am trying to list those based on price, quality and more. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest top rated product updates. Number 5. MIDEA 3-inch-1 Portable Air Conditioner. Enjoy the simplicity and comfort of digital controls. The portable AC features an easy-to-read LED display and includes a compact remote control. Batteries included, to easily set the time, temperature, and mode from across the room. Its 24-hour adjustable timer can cool a room to a temperature between 62 degrees Fahrenheit - 90 degrees Fahrenheit and has 3 modes to choose from: cooling, dehumidification, fan only. Roll your air conditioner to the preferred cooling area, attach the 5-feet hose and adjustable window brackets, fits openings from 26.5 to 48. Turn the unit on and let your cooling begin. An exhaust hose and window kit are included. No extra tools are needed for assembly. Installation instructions are simple and can be done by anyone. To provide clean, cool air, we designed a removable and reusable air filter to protect your family and living space from dust and pet hairs. We recommend you clean the filter every week of operation in order to extend the life and performance of this unit. Number 4. Hair British Thermal Unit Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. Anyone looking for the creme de la creme of portable air conditioners should consider the Hair 13500 British Thermal Unit Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. This unit boasts 3 useful operating modes for cooling, fan, and dehumidification. It is suitable for areas up to 600 square feet. Smart functions, such as memory, will kick it back into action after a power outage, which is perfect during the night and ensures you can wake up feeling cool and refreshed. The full function remote makes it easy to adjust settings, while the onboard display helps change settings on the unit if you need to move it. The durable caster wheels ensure the journey is quick, safe, and simple too. For more quality cooling options for your home, check out our reviews of the top cooling tower fans. Number 3. Honeywell Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner with Dehumidifier. For faster cooling than you ever thought possible, the Honeywell Hose Portable Air Conditioner with Dehumidifier delivers just what you need. The small air conditioner is easy to operate thanks to the digital and remote controls, ideal for days where it's far too warm to climb off the sofa. The easy-to-clean filter ensures consistent performance. There are 3 fan speeds, which enable you to find the optimal comfort level regardless of how hot it gets everywhere else. The fan speeds are suitable for cooling rooms between 350 and 450 square feet. For further convenience, there is a 24-hour timer, and the dehumidifying function can remove up to 66 pints of moisture per day. Number 2. Honeywell Dual Hose Air Portable Conditioner. The bold, black Honeywell Dual Hose Air Portable Conditioner comes with 2 British thermal unit options, 12,000 and 14,000, respectively, so you can find the ideal choice for your home or office. It uses both integrated and remote controls that make operation straightforward, and the washable filter keeps everything working in top condition. Its 3 operating modes offer some variety, especially if the climate is in that tricky middle ground where it's too cold for an AC but too hot not to have something. The dehumidifier will remove up to 66 pints of moisture every 24 hours, and the feather touch controls make it easy to use, and with the remote, you can adjust settings from the other side of the room. Number 1. Winter British Thermal Unit Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. If you're looking for the best dual hose portable air conditioner suitable for most homes and offices, the Winer 14,000 British Thermal Unit Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner is what you need. It comes with an extra storage bag, ideal for up to 500 square feet, and boasts 3 operating modes: dehumidifier, fan, and air conditioner. The full thermostatic range of 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit ensures comfort for all summer temperatures. The digital readout makes it easy to check and adjust whenever you need. And you can also use the 24-hour timer to reduce energy consumption. With caster wheels on the base, it's easy to transport between rooms without needing to uninstall it when all you want is to relax.
Yeah.